Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create a complete blueprint for our gun class and attach that gun to our hand. Just if you see, we want to implement this whole projectile from scratch. So first of all, just select these and delete all the nodes and just leave the shoot projectile. Compile it, save it. Now if I press play, here you can see our character is not firing. Also delete the loop fire variable. Now go to the compile it construction script and also delete this. Compile it and save. Also delete if you go to viewport and this sphere. Also delete this and also delete this. Compile it, save it. Okay. Now first of all, go to the folder and from here blueprint, create a new folder, name it character and drag this into this move here, and now also create an other folder, name it weapon. And draw this, just rename it projectile underscore BP blueprint and just drag into here. Perfect. Now next thing, what we are going to go to the weapon folder and from here create a new blueprint actor and name it main weapon BP. This would be the main blueprint of our weapon class. So just open it and just drag it to here, and from component, just component, select and search for skeletal mesh and name it main weapon mesh. Perfect. Now go back to your blueprint folder and weapon folder, and from here just select the main weapon blueprint and from here select create a child blueprint class and name it assault underscore rifle blueprint. So it would be the assault rifle blueprint. So if you go to the main weapon blueprint and first of all just open the child blueprint, so just select the main. Everything which we add into the main blueprint will also inherit in the child blueprint. For demonstration, just see, for if I import the sphere, cube, compile it, save it, and you can see it is also inherited in child blueprint class. So just delete this, save it, compile it, and it is also deleted from here. Now what we are going to do, select the assault rifle and select the main weapon mesh, and from here search for the skeleton FP gun compile it, save it. Perfect. Now go to main weapon and from here create a new function, name it attach weapon underscore to hand. Perfect. And from here search for attach component to component main weapon mesh, this one. Just from here and from parent just add a node, and next in socket name. So for this go to first person character and select mesh 2p, and from here skeleton, double click on this, and from skeleton tree just select the grip point, double click, control C, copy, go back to the main blueprint, and from here just in socket type control V and select the location, snap to target, and just keep the word. Now compile it, save it, and just you can see. Okay, perfect. Now go to the first person character event graph, and from here just search for begin event, and from here search for spawn actor from class and select the class which is assault rifle BP. So from here search for assault rifle BP. From here just right click, promote to structure pin, and search for get actor location. Okay, perfect. And from here just search for always spawn and ignore collisions, and from here search for the function which is attach weapon to blueprint. Search for the attach weapons to hand, and just select the target, and from here drag the mesh 2p and connect this to. Now compile it, save it, and press play. Here you can see gun is connected to our hand. Perfect. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will start implementing the fire blueprint for our character. See you in next lecture.